Today we're making Sokolatopita. Start a syrup, 600 ml water, 600 grams sugar, and 100 grams cocoa powder. Put him in hot and mix him up. When he's boiled like Greek coffee, turn him off. In one bowl, put inside 4 eggs, 200 grams sugar. Mix him up for 10 minutes until it's going fluffy. Now put inside 2 teaspoons vanilla, 250 grams melted butter from a Greek cow. The skin from 1 orange. Now mix him a little bit with your hands. In another bowl, put inside 200 grams plain flour, another 100 grams cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and half a teaspoon salt. Combine everything properly. Now we put him inside of him, and now mix him all together. Get 1 dish, 32-21, and paint him with some melted butter. Now put the cake mix inside of this one. Spread him, do your stavro. Now put the oven 160 degrees Celsius, roughly 30 minutes. Take them out with 1 souvlaki stick. We're gonna put in lots of holes inside. Now it's very holy. Now put the cold syrup on top of the hot cake and leave to drinking 30 minutes. On the gazi, put on 150 ml cream and make him very hot. 300 grams milk chocolate and put the cream the top. Mix him up nicely. Now slowly we're gonna put this one the cake. Spread him so it's nice and even. Bring her to room temperature, then put the fridge for a couple hours. Slice her up. Have a look how beautiful she is. Put some cream if you're liking and little bit chocolate at the top. It's bloody beautiful, mate.